So what AdExpress will do is it'll create social media ads for you that you'll be able to use over Facebook. Now, what I really like about this that makes it quite unique, and one of the reasons that I wanted to introduce you to this software, is the fact that it has so many different designs, so many different templates. There's so much selection inside the software, and many of these templates are proven. They've been used by the software creators. The key, if you want to generate traffic, is social media traffic these days. You can, generate traffic through SEO. You can generate traffic through free platforms, but just like I was talking to someone today, it's a long slog if you're going to do that. There are opportunities to do that, but if you're doing it for a client, if you're doing it for your own business, it takes a long time. If you want instant and measurable results, the key to doing that right now, and the best opportunity that you have to do with that, is social media, Facebook. Even Twitter to some extent. Twitter advertising, people are making money now through Twitter advertising, and the best way you're going to be able to make yourself stand out is with a professional ad. So this is the template selection. Now the template selection is rather large. They've got templates with pre-done borders, they've got templates with pre-done images, they've got templates that are proven that they've tested and stand out, and there's a wide variety of this. It's one of the reasons that this really stands out from other products that are out there that do create these advertisements, is that there are so many templates to choose from. So let's just grab one that we like. It might be this one right here. We could use this. This is one similar to an ad that I've used in the past. They've also got ads for Teespring campaigns. They've got ads for e-commerce campaigns that you can use. They've got ads whether you're doing your own info products, whether you're doing your own software, white label software, creating your own funnels, lead generation, all of that stuff. It's covered through this software. So this is the editing dashboard. It's a really easy to use but quite basic dashboard, and you'll be able to basically select the icon or the part that you want to edit, and you can then customize this text. So say for example, we could say 10% off coupon, Sam 10, for example. All right, we've created our coupon, we drag it in here, then we can go to here, we can customize our button. Go here now to get go here now. We could just say go here now. We could center this then into the button. We want to make sure it fits. We can then resize our buttons to fit this new text if we wanted to, and then we can drag things around as we want. We've also got the ability to add new images. We can add backgrounds. We can customize the backgrounds as we want, and we can do it on the fly like this, making it really easy. That looks really cool. We can make it green. Okay, we can make it black, and I really like these shades and the grainy effect that they actually give it. It really improves the image and it makes it stand out even more. We can adjust the images for you on as well. We can upload our own image, add this into the product. So we could add an image that we chose into this product, for example. So we could grab any random image and add it in if we wanted to replace this. We can customize the size of this image and do everything that we wanted to. We can also use a grid. Now these grids are quite useful, and I never used to use these grids, but when it comes to getting the dimensions right, these grids are a necessity. So you can use a grid, or you can actually go back to the canvas background you had before. You can add in other effects as well. So if you wanted to add in this talk bubble right here, you could add in this talk bubble right here. We could remove this selected object if we didn't like it. We could add in a triangle, for example, and we can customize the look and feel and see how it looks. There's many different options when you go ahead and do these these effects. And I'm just going to grab that looks pretty cool, and we'll go over here. Hey, check out that. And I'm not the most graphical of people, but I'm finding the software quite easy to use, which is really quite cool. So again, we could triangle right, we could have a green arrow here, we could customize this down, or we could add another color to this if we wanted to. We could add it as black, we could add it as blue, we could add it as whatever color we wanted to, red, green, and then when we go like this. And as you can see, we can customize this as we want. So we can adjust the opacity as well of any of these images. See that? It's really subtle. We can adjust the border, we can add borders, we can add a bunch of different other images, and we can also control. We can send certain images back. So we could send this backwards. We could send it forwards. We could bring to the front if we wanted to, so it was going to go over top of any other images we have. We could go ahead and center it. We could go ahead and add it to the left. We can change the gradient. We can change the way that it rotates. We can clip it, whatever that means. Clip it. Oh, cool. It does a clip. And you can also adjust, you can enter into free drawing mode, which basically means you can go ahead, grab a pencil, a circle, a spray paint, in any of these different, things, and just go ahead and start drawing. Cool. That's really quite cool. It's quite easy to go and do it. I'm not very good. I'm kind of just playing around playing around right here, having some fun, but you can see, how this could improve your campaigns. I really like these types of effects, these types of cutting effects, because they can be used in many different ways. Now I'm just creating a mess, having some fun, but you get the point that this can be used quite effectively. Now, if we wanted to preview this ad, we could then preview it. We could go ahead, have a look at it. We've chosen the size, which was a Twitter ad. We could download this as well in this size. And if we wanted to, we could choose different canvases. There's actually a range of different canvases you can create, and they've actually named these. One of the problems I've had in the past is actually I have to Google which sizes are used for a particular image in Facebook or Twitter. This software gives you that. You can actually click on it, you can go and use it, and you can start from a blank canvas, or you can grab and load one of your other previous images in order to do this. So it's a really straightforward application. It's great for social media marketing. You can use these ads on any website, but specifically for social media marketing, it's given you a number of different options that you can use. You've also got your ads, which will show here. I didn't save my last ad that I was just preparing, but they'll be saved here, and you can download those in different sizes.